This is practice set exercise 8.15 getSlopeLine. Add the following method to your line class from the previous exercise, so make sure you guys refer to that before doing this problem. And this method is supposed to return the slope of this line. The slope of a line between these 2 points is equal to our slope formula. That's how you find slope. And if the 2 points have the same x-coordinates, the denominator is 0 and the slope is undefined. So you should throw an illegal state exception in this case. Okay, so we'll first account for that. But before that, we will do our method. So public double and then getSlope. Then we'll close this off first, and then we'll account for our x's being the same. So if p1.getx is equal to p2.getx, then we will throw our new illegal state exception. That's the proper format for this, so make sure you guys follow that. And then all we need to do now is just return everything into the format of our slope formula, right? So we'll just do return, and then make sure, since this can be a double, we'll just add that first. So double, and we'll say p2.getY, and then minus p1.getY. And then make sure there's a parentheses around all of this, because that's the top value of our slope formula. And then we'll divide that by p1.getx minus p1.getx. And then I think that should solve it. So we'll run that, and yep, all our test cases are passed, meaning we did everything correctly. Yep, and that's it for this problem, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.